Joe Beermaster here. We have a Hyundai Genesis 2.0 2011, and we're going to replace the turbo in here. And how do we know the turbo is bad, Joe?
Because it's smoking, sucking oil from the engine.
Sucking oil from the engine and it's smoking. And so we're going to replace that turbo.
Yes.
And how long is the job going to take?
Probably 4 hours.
4 hours, and we're going to show you how to do it.
Maybe you can get it from the bottom.
Not this one.
So what do we have? 2 bolts here to hold it on?
No, we got a lot of bolts right now. Go up. We're gonna go from underneath.
Okay.
Turbo was bad, so here's the turbo. See how loose it is? See, that's what goes bad on these cars. See, it's loose.
So what's the only solution is to replace it?
Replace it, yes. I mean, you could rebuild it, but it's not worth it. You can get a used one for like $300 bucks. All right.
So how many bolts?
And the car smokes really bad. It sounds like the engine is bad. When that turbo goes bad, it smokes really.
And what size engine was this?
That's a 2.0 turbo.
All right, for you.
Genesis. 2011.
So how many bolts actually hold it on?
It's like around 24 bolts.
And how long did it take?
Probably say 3 hours.
Okay, and any gaskets?
You can use the old gaskets on this because they're all exhaust gaskets.
And,
You want to see the car now?
yeah, but
We can show it's on there already. This is the old one.
did you put a new one on?
Yeah, used one. You can put used one.
What's a
It
used
works.
one go for about?
About $300 bucks. So it's not worth the rebuild.
So what would a regular mechanic charge for this job?
I would say 3 for the parts and 400 for around like 700.
700 and up. Sure. All right, let's take a look at the car.
There's a new turbo already on it. I mean, the shields are on the top, but that's where the turbo goes.
That's
So
a heat
you gotta
shield.
take the manifold on, and you gotta just loosen the exhaust and the turbo, and it comes right out.
And that little insignia means don't
Yeah.
put your hand on that because it gets hot.
It gets really hot.
Is this a common problem for these cars?
Oh yeah, if you don't change it with synthetic oil, but make sure you give a synthetic oil change when you're done. You know, see how that's the synthetic oil. We put it in.
Is that the manufacturer recommendations on this? or-
When it's turbo, I like to put synthetic oil. You know, see the owner manual. You know, 5W20 they want you to put it in, but you can use 530. You know, synthetic. I like to use synthetic.
All right, Big Joe's Auto Repair, 8311 Tarsdale Avenue, Philadelphia, PA.
Gets it done.
Gets the work done. Look them up, 215.
499-9071.
Amazing. Another Joe Beermaster adventure.
Job done.